Hey, good morning everybody. Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We're at a job today. We got a pretty big project going on here. We got a tile roof on a pretty large house. We got a pull cage, and we have a lot of sidewalk here. So let me walk around. I'll show you what we got. We got sidewalk, goes down this way around the corner and then all the way down to that side right down there. On the front here, it's got the rust stains, so we'll get all those off as well. And then we have a barrel tile roof. It's not too bad, but it'll make a nice difference. We're going to do most of this from the ground, so we don't even really have to get up there on the rooftop. And come around that side. Alright, then we have a pull cage here in the back. Missing a couple of screens, but we're gonna get this all cleaned up so he can get the guys in there to screen it. But you can see some of the areas. It's got a little bit of green algae growth coming down along the side, and some spider webs. We'll get all this going. It's got a lot of oxidation on the cage, but it'll look much better once we get through with it. Anyway, that's our project for today, so we'll get moving. All right, well, we're all done here. Sorry I wasn't able to get video. I thought I had the camera running, and turns out that I didn't, and then my battery died. So I apologize, but let's go ahead and do a walkthrough. I'll show you what it turned out like. Yeah. Roof looks great. Sidewalk came up really nice. You got all that rust stains off. There's the roof on the house. All right, so there you go. Back along this side. And we knocked out the pool cage and the back deck for him. But yeah, it turned out really nice. Very, very nice. All right, well, that's a wrap for this job. We'll see you on the next.